Remember the last game? Yes, it was the best. I met a kakampi na bida-bida at meron akong kasama for to make it sure. Puro kami nag-marksman, isa na may nagkor. Pero di kami nagpatinag, kami pusong Pinoy. Nagdip lang tuloy-tuloy at nanalo pa tuloy. Todot. Yeah, for marksman. For marksman isang core. Victory. Victory. Kung hindi ka pa nakapag-follow sa aking page, edi wow, malason ka unta og malos trek. Thank you for watching.